Assalamu alaikum with another lecture of high frequency get words. This is 5 spam words. Today we will learn more new words. Pillow. This is the same pillow which we use while sleeping or while sitting. We take that cushion in our laps or under our head. A cushion to support the head of a sleeping person. Seclusion, isolation. The act of isolating oneself from others. They enjoyed 10 days of peace and seclusion, isolation, completely isolated from everyone. Stupor, this insensibility, meanings of stupor have been derived. Actually, it means marginal consciousness, drunken stupor or par stupor. So always write those words which have been given in the dictionary, not those words which we have derived from the meanings of the words or explanatory meanings of the words. Stupor means marginal consciousness, not fully conscious, but he has lost his consciousness because of some liquor, because of some power, or because of some ego. It may be anything because of which he has lost his full consciousness. He is besides himself. Exterminate. Exterminate to kill, to wipe out the whole population or on a large scale. Kill on a large scale. The soldiers set fire to the buildings after exterminating the entire population. Familial, relating to a family, social unit living together. Felon. Felon is a person who has been convicted of a crime, uh, who is legally convicted of a crime. He was condemned as a felon and was sent to jail. Flawed. Flaw is a second form of participle of flaw. Having a blemish or a flaw. His judgment was flawed, which raised many eyebrows. He made a mistake in his judgment. Flawed means mistaken. Flintstone, these are the pebbles we use in construction of our buildings. Masons use them. Folly, foolish, stupid, the trait of acting stupidly or rashly. It was his folly to entrust him a ministry of education. So the stupidness he made or rash decision he made, that will be called a folly. That was not a right decision. Fortitude. Fortitude means strength, courage, strength of mind that enables one to bear adversity, to stand erect during the miseries, to bear the miseries with the strength of mind and character. She endured her adversity with fortitude, means with courage, furtive, secret, and sly. This word has been derived. This is connotative meanings. Don't use it while you are giving the meaning of the word furtive. These are the dictionary based meanings. There was a furtive look in her eyes, a cunning, a secret, and sly. You don't want to be open even through her eyes. Surreptitious, quiet, caution, and secrecy. There was a surreptitious campaign for the secret cafe. A cafe has been opened, but it was remained secret. So, accordingly, a secret campaign or surreptitious campaign for the popularity of that cafe has been started. Gluttonous, a greed that cannot be satisfied. This is gluttonous. giving to excess in consumption of especially food and drink. A greed of food and drink that cannot be satisfied is gluttonous. There are a group of gluttonous partygoers, grimace, expression on the face to show some kind of feelings, contort the face to indicate a certain mental state. If you are happy, if you are in despair, if you are in facing a tragedy, if you are uh, grinning that some you are suffering from a pain, he gave a grimace of pain, humdrum, tediously repetitious or lacking in variety. A day-to-day life which is boring, monotonous, lacking in excitement. This is the meaning of humdrum. Implicate. Implicate mean bring into intimate and incriminating connection. He was implicated in sugar and wheat scandal. He has been charged for his involvement in these scandals. Implicate means charged on legal ground. Implied trust, a trust which has been inferred or responsibility which has not been clearly expressed in law, but he has that responsibility to perform, uh, implying from the other responsibilities he has been given. A trust responsibility not directly expressed. Inference. Inference, deduce, to draw a conclusion. Drawing a conclusion on the basis of circumstantial evidence. The evidence which you get, you draw you have a data, you have an evidence, and from the base, basing from the base of the data, you reach a conclusion. This is inference. The researchers are entrusted with drawing inferences from the available data, like on COVID-19. Intimidate. Intimidate means compel or deter by threat or frighten. He intimidated me to get out of the office. He threatened me to get out of his office. Laurel, a small aromatic tree with shiny dark green leaves like this one. And we have derived another meaning of laurel to shower praise on someone from this word laurel, because like you people have seen a garland of these leaves have been given to someone. That means that means that they are praising the person, they're appreciating the person, a sense of appreciating or praising someone. Lacks, without rigor or strictness. Laziness. Laziness. They were lax security arrangement at the airport. The arrangements were not strict. Liturgy. Liturgy mean right or body of rites. Rites mean customs prescribed for public worship. The bishop presented the certificates at the conclusion of liturgy worship. Martinet. Martinet. Someone who demands strict conformity to rules and forms. A disciplinarian, very strict in discipline. He is martinet and demands complete conformity to the rules in office. Maverick. Maverick who does not conform to the set rules and tradition of some society or office. Someone who exhibits independence in thoughts and action. He does not submit to anyone's authority, a strict maverick. He is independent. He always goes in his own ways and judges his own ways. Thank you very much for watching. We will be here with new words and their explanations.